Welcome to the Inventor 2015 Soldas course. This course will cover the applications of welding and mechanical assemblies. In this first class we will know the organization of the course and the concepts of welding. Welding is the operation aimed at joining two or more parts in order to maintain the continuity of the physical and chemical properties of the materials. In welding, there are two fundamental concepts: base metal and addition material. Base metal is the material of the parts you want to weld. Addition material is the material used as filler in the welding process, filling the gap of the joint to be welded. This process is applied when you want to join two or more pieces permanently. The course is divided into 6 modules, and they are composed of lessons, practical examples of the commands and tools learned, and complementary exercises. In the classes are explained the commands and tools, their ways of use and concepts, step by step. In the practical examples are applied the commands and tools already studied in the module in a real situation, training its use. In the complementary exercises, it is proposed a task for the student to do and train, based on the lessons and practical examples. In the first module, we will take the first steps in the welding environment. Learning about the template to be used, the Inventor interface in this environment, and knowing the commands of preparation, welding and machining. We will be introduced to the welding process and we will already weld the first set. In Module 2, we will know the process of preparing the assemblies to be welded. We will see when this process is used and we will apply in practical cases, preparing some sets for the subsequent stage of welding. In Module 3, we will actually begin to apply the weld strands to the assemblies. We will begin by learning about rounding welding, applying continuous and intermittent strands. In Module 4, we will see other welding application processes. We will work with fill welding and cosmetic solder. We will learn about when and how these types of cord are applied, and also generating automatic reports of welds made. In the 5th module, we will study the machining process, which is a post-welding process. We will also learn about the calculation and representation of welds through symbology. In the 6th and last module we will learn how to convert an assembled assembly in a mounting environment to the welding environment. It will also be shown on how to insert weld symbols into the 3D and 2D environment. Within this module you will have the final exercise, which aims to review everything that has been learned throughout the course. With this, we will have a good idea to apply the welds and sets in Inventor. Thus, we will be able to develop projects for various applications, in a professional way. Let's start the course. Render the one who knows, teaches.